Hello everyone, welcome back to Abena'sKitchen. In this video, we'll be making ragu alla bolognese. I'm using 3 onions, 1 carrot. I should have added some celery, but I don't have it at home, so I'll just leave it out. 2 canned tomatoes, some minced beef. In Italy, we normally have the ragu meat pack, and it consists of minced beef, sausage and pork, but I'm only using minced beef this time. I finally chopped my onion and carrots, and I'm gonna saute them in a small amount of oil. I'd love to know how you make your ragu, so please share your method in the comments section. And also, if you've got any recipe you want me to try out, I'll leave my email address in the description box. You send me your recipe, I try it out at home, and then later make a video on it. So guys, please let me have your recipes. I'm adding the meat after sauteing the onions for about 5 minutes. I'm adding some oregano and parsley. This is optional. If you don't want them, just leave them out. Or if you want to add another type of herb, you can add that one. I had no stock cube left, so I'm gonna use my crayfish stock powder. I really recommend this. It's from Tropical Sun, and it makes my food taste really. Add about 1 or 2 tablespoons of tomato paste. After 3 minutes, I'm gonna pour in my tomatoes. I always blend my canned tomatoes, even though it comes already chopped. I just find them too chunky. This is 1 teaspoon of powdered pepper. They normally use white or black pepper, but I'm using chili pepper because I want it a little bit hot. And some salt to taste. I'm gonna cover it halfway and cook on low heat for about 1 hour. Remember, this is a meat sauce, so the more meat you add, the better your ragu will be. This is my sauce after cooking for 1 hour on low heat. Now you can use this sauce for your spaghetti. Your spaghetti alla bolognese is very popular, and then for other types of pasta. And this is what we use for lasagna. I'll be making a lasagna video very soon, hopefully. Yeah. Thank you for watching.